Welcome to EDU World Space.
So here's problem 52 in chapter 19. And in this question, we're going to calculate the delta S values for the following reactions. Part A, delta S0 of the reaction is equal to S0 of the products minus S0 of the reactants. So in this case, the products is NH4NO3 solid minus reactants are HNO3 gas minus S0 of NH3 gas. So this is equal to 151 minus 266.4 minus 192.5. That will give you a number of negative 308 joules per Kelvin. And for this question, delta S is negative because all reactants are two gases and the products is solid. So in this case, the entropy of the system decreases, delta S is negative. Part B, delta S0 of this reaction is equal to 4 times the S0 of iron solid plus 3 times of S0 oxygen gas minus 2 times S0 of Fe2O3 solid. And that will give you 4 times 27.15 plus 3 times 205 minus 2 times 89.96. And that will give you a number of 543.7 joules per Kelvin. And for this reaction, delta S is positive. This is because the reaction produces 3 moles of gases. So there are more degree of freedom. So as is increased, delta S is positive. Part C, delta S0 of the reaction is equal to S0 of the product CaCl2S plus S0 CO2 gas plus S0 of water liquid minus the reactants, which are S0 of the CaCl3 solid minus 2 times S0 of HCl gas. And this will give a number of 104.6 plus 213.6 plus 69.91 minus 92.88 minus 2 times 186.69. That is equal to negative 78.15 joules per Kelvin. So this reaction, delta S, is a negative number. This is because the reaction produces 1 fewer mole of gas. Initially, it has 2 gases, and after reaction, 1 gas is formed and 1 liquid. However, the liquid entropy is much less than the gas, so it's almost negligible. So in this case, S is decreased, delta S is negative. Last one, part D, delta S0 is equal to S0 of C6H6 liquid plus 6 times of S0 of hydrogen gas minus 3 times S0 of C2H6 gas. And this will give you a number 172.8 plus 6 times 130.58 minus 3 times 229.5. That is equal to 267.8 joules per Kelvin. So for this reaction, delta S is a positive number because there are more moles of gases is produced. Initially, it has 3. After the reaction, there are 6 moles of gases. So the entropy of the system increases, delta S is positive.